Hey, what's up guys, Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode I'm going to do a mod that I really don't want to do. Today's episode I'm going to install LED angel eyes. I didn't want to do this mod because of the state of my headlights are really faded and look like crap. Yeah. And as you can see the lights are pretty faded. Yeah, this one as well. And it's not the lens, it's what's inside. Yeah, the plastic are all yellow. You can see in here it's kind of white, and after that it's going to fade more and more because of the sun, of course. I thought I'm gonna buy new headlights, and after that maybe I'm installing LEDs, angel eyes. But since the original light went out, I wanted to buy a new original one, and cheaper to buy LEDs as to buy original lamps. That's why I bought LEDs instead of the original lamp. And yeah, let's install this. Came out from here. Yeah, and now I'm gonna install the new LEDs, and check this out. This is the wrong method, yeah, this is the right method. With this metal this metal things on the back, because these are for your screws. Yeah, and this side has to be flushed with the headlight. So this is the new LED. Yeah, and like I've said, this metal parts, it has to be installed on here on the back. You just have to unscrew this like this and screw it on the back. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna install directly. So I hope you can see it's already installed. It's just plug and play. I don't have anything to explain. You put the new LED in the place where the old one was. You use the original connector, yeah, so it's nothing too complicated. And before I put the protective cap, I'm gonna tuck everything here inside, and that's about it. So it's done. Now I'm gonna start the headlights and see the difference. So yeah, you can see clearly this is the LED and that's the lamp, the original lamp. I have no idea why the camera can focus a little bit. Oh, now. So in real life I think are not that white as you can see it here in the camera. This one looks white on the camera and are like orange compared with the other one. So yeah, I'm gonna change the other one and job done. And for the driver side or for the left side, it doesn't matter what side is your steering wheel. So left side, you have to remove the airbox in order to access the light. You have to remove first this wire that keeps the cover. Yeah, and after that we have one screw in here, another one in here. You will have this plastic tabs in order to hold the screw when you are taking it out. We have to unplug the original plug, these two screws, and it's out. It's out. As you can see how the screws are in there. Yeah, and what I wanted to show you is this oval shape is gonna be directly onto the angel eyes. Are these ones, this clear plastic, yeah, and after you unscrew the bolts you will feel a little bit of resistance, but you have to wiggle just a little bit and pull it out. It's nothing is going to happen, but just to know that. And this is as well working. So we have now LEDs. I've wanted to test everything before I put the screws and tied this one up. because I don't want to take everything apart again. So everything is okay. I just have to put the screws in there and job done. Yeah, it's brighter than before, of course. So yeah, I kind of like it.